Hi, today at Garfin's Creation, let's make some colorful pancakes. These coconut and jaggery filled pancakes have different names in different states and different nations. Stay along till the end to watch how we create these beautiful different types of pancake designs. Just follow some tips and you'll get these perfectly made pancakes. All the ingredients have been mentioned in the description box just below the video. So let's get started. The first thing we'll be doing is making the pancake batter. To make the batter, I have taken one large egg. To that I'll be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We will whisk this till everything is dissolved, the sugar and the salt as well, and the egg is nice and light. So now once this is done, we will sieve the Maida or all-purpose flour. I have taken 1½ cup of Maida. It's always nice to sieve the Maida or all-purpose flour so that we can remove any impurities from it. Now once this is done, I'll use a whisk and just mix everything well. I'll also be adding water gradually. This is 2 cups of room temperature water. I'll be adding the water gradually so that we get a lump-free batter. Though I have taken 2 cups of water, we'll be needing more later when we make the pancakes, as the maida will absorb the water and it starts getting a little thicker as we keep it. So as of now, I'll be using the entire 2 cups of water into the maida. Whisk it well so that all the lumps are dissolved and you get a lump-free batter. You can use a siever and sieve the batter so that there is no lumps at all. This batter looks a little bit more thick, so I'll add the remaining water and mix it well. This is how the batter should be. It should be lump-free and free-flowing. As I'll be adding color to this batter, I'll be adding little of this batter in 3 different bowls. I'll be using pink, yellow and green food colors here. You can use any liquid or gel colors to mix the color, and you can also use any color of your choice. Pancakes are enjoyed by all, even kids. So why not add some color into it to make it attractive and appealing to the small kids as well? You can, however, skip the color and just make all of them as white. Now once this is done, we'll just keep this aside for 5 minutes while we prepare the filling for it. So now let's make this delicious coconut filling. I have heated a pan and to that I'll be adding 1 cup of jaggery. You can use any type of jaggery here, even the darker one will do. To melt the jaggery faster, I'll be just adding a teaspoon of water into it and mix it well till the jaggery is fully dissolved. I have kept the flame on medium and will keep stirring this continuously, and slowly the jaggery will start melting. And the jaggery will melt and then it will start boiling. Making this filling will hardly take less than 5 minutes. As you can see now, the jaggery starts boiling and we'll be adding half a teaspoon of cardamon or Elaichi powder. You could also add half a teaspoon of rose essence instead of cardamom powder. Mix that well and I'll be adding 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Cooking this filling will remove the rawness from the coconut. It will also make the mixture a little bit dry. So just after adding the coconut, I just stir this for around a minute. And you can see that the mixture will start drying up. You do not have to cook this more. After adding the coconut, just stir it for 1 minute and the mixture will get nice and dry. The mix is well dry and now we'll let this cool completely. And now it's time to make the pancakes. Heat a pan on medium to low flame. And you can see the batter starts getting thickened. Keep adding water as you keep on making the pancakes so that the batter does not become thick and you get good pancakes every time. So before pouring the batter, always stir it and check the consistency. and grease the pan with little oil, and I've kept the flame on medium. And I'll just take a ladle full of the batter and pour it into the pan. Now swirl the pan so that the batter covers the pan well. After pouring the batter, you will notice it starts getting dried. It changes its color to this. Just exactly after this, just keep it for 1 minute only. And the sides will start leaving the sides of the pan. That is when we have to remove the pancake out of the pan. To remove the pancake, you can also flip the pan over a plate. Every time you make another pancake, always grease the pan before adding the batter. Add water if you find the batter is thick. And add the batter just sufficient enough to fill the pan. If you add more batter, the pancake will become thick and it will break while you roll it. So try and keep the batter thin and flowing and just pour just enough to cover the pan. If your pancakes are thin, they will not break while rolling them. So these were the plain basic ones. Now let's make some designer pancakes as well. Let's make the polka dotted pancakes. With the help of a spoon, I'll be just adding some drops of the green batter around the pan. The upper diameter of my pan is 9 inches and the bottom is 8 inches. 8 inches pan is just perfect to get a normal size of pancakes. If you have a larger pan, just swirl the batter to the required size. As I keep adding the drops, you'll notice that it starts getting dried. That is exactly what we want, and then add whichever color of batter you want and let it cover the entire pan. You will see that it starts getting dried and changing color. Keep it for just 1 minute and the sides will start leaving the pan. And then with the help of a spatula or a turner, remove the pancake from the pan. While making these designer pancakes, keep the flame on low so that you get sufficient time to create the design and pour the batter as you want. So you need to regulate your flame on medium to low so that you do not get any brown spots and your pancakes look beautiful. So you can create any designs of your choice. Like Galaxy team, just spread the batter like pink and purple too in the same fashion and you'll get a nice Galaxy theme pancake. Don't get disheartened if your pancakes do not come out perfect. Initially, 1 or 2 pancakes might not look perfect, but as you keep trying, they'll come out beautifully. So, it's just to regulate your flame and keep the batter thin enough so that you do not get thick pancakes. To start with, you can always make plain pancakes, and then once you're confident enough, then you can try these designer pancakes as well. This one I'm making a 2-colored pancake, dividing the batter into 2. Thanks for watching till now, but continue watching till the end for more beautiful designs of pancake. I have used the pastel shades to color the batter. You can also make darker colors as you wish. And don't forget to grease your pan every time you add the batter. Now next I'll be just adding some color everywhere just randomly. Just like how you would make a swirl cake. Adding different colors and then I'll be adding white batter to cover it all. And then just add the white batter over it so that everything gets covered. Only just keep in mind that you have to keep the pancake as thin as you can so that they do not crack or break while you roll them. I hope you find this video interesting and give you some inspiration to create some beautiful pancakes this year. So do let me know in the comments which one was your favorite and which one are you going to try. And once you have made them, don't forget to leave your feedback in the comments below. I'll be making one more of the same color combination, but instead of white batter, I'll be using yellow at the end so it will look completely different. So go ahead and play with the colors and create some beautiful pancakes. And as I have said earlier, if you have problem making them, you can always create the plain ones, just single color pancakes, and try them as well. The next one I'll be making stripes of different colors. Just add different color of batter next to each other in the long vertical way. Make sure that they at least overlap a little so that they don't get separated. You can make these stripes with just two colors alternating with each other as well. That design tool looks really very beautiful. I hope you are enjoying watching this video and those many more videos of Garfin creations. And do subscribe for more such beautiful videos coming up. So this is done. Just lift it up carefully or flip the pan over. So this is where I have kept the pancakes to little cool down. I have just kept them over a cloth, and once they get cooled down, you can place them one over the other on the plate. Finally, it's time to fill the pancakes. You can use any side which looks good to you. This was the top side, and I'll be putting the filling over here. So after rolling, you'll get the back side facing out. I'm adding around 2 teaspoons of the filling. Put the filling in the center of the pancake. Do not be tempted to overfill it, then you might have problem in rolling. Lift both the sides of the pancake towards the center. And one end, just roll it out towards the other end of the pancake. A beautiful polka dotted pancake is ready. So while making the pancake, just follow those little tips that I have mentioned. And you'll get these spotless pancakes ready to use any of the sides. So whatever looks good and whichever design you want, just place the pancake either front or back side and do the filling. So continue filling all of the pancakes in the same way. With this quantity, you'll get approximate 12 to 14 pancakes. But if you make it thicker, then you might get a little lesser. But avoid making them thick. As I said, they would crack while you roll them now. You would just have to be a little patient and just try the first 2 pancakes as you get the proper size and the proper thickness. This is the classic white one without any color. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video to make these colorful pancakes. Try something different this year and have a wonderful Pancake Tuesday. See you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.